If you haul side-by-sides very often, you already know the trailer can either make life easy or make every trip a headache. What's up, guys? This is JD with Tennis Power, and in this video, I'm showing you the new trailer I picked up for the channel and why I chose this setup. But more importantly, the work I'm doing to get it ready, starting with sanding and staining the wooden over deck. This is a 24-foot by 102-inch B&R Deckover trailer, and the reason I went with this style is pretty simple. I wanted more usable width, enough trailer for multiple UTVs, and a setup that would make loading easier and less frustrating. This trailer is rated at 14,000 pounds gross vehicle weight, and it's built with two 7,000-pound electric axles. It has a treated wood floor, LED lights, adjustable coupler, spring return jack, and a rear ramp setup with a dovetail. So overall, it's a solid working trailer. Not trying to be flashy, just something practical that should do a much better job for the kind of hauling I need. But before I start really putting miles and machines on it, I wanted to spend some time on the wood deck, because that deck is going to take a beating. Mud, rain, sun, dirt, loading ramps, tire wear, all of that starts adding up pretty quick. So the plan was to sand it down, clean it up, and put stain on it to help protect the wood and give it a more finished look. I'm not trying to make this thing look like fine furniture or anything like that. The goal is just to smooth out the surface, knock down the rough spots, and prep it so the stain goes on better. I decided to go with an oil-based stain instead of a water-based product. Oil-based stain tends to soak deeper into the wood and usually holds up better against weather, moisture, and everyday abuse. Since this trailer is going to see mud, rain, sun, and a lot of tire traffic, I wanted something that would protect the deck and give it a tougher, longer-lasting finish. And once the stain starts going on, that's when it really starts coming together. It gives the trailer a more dialed in, cleaner look, and hopefully helps it hold up better over time. To me, this is one of those simple upgrades that's worth doing early. A little time now can help protect the trailer later, and it just makes the whole setup feel more dialed in. Well, that's it for this Tennis Power project. Let me know in the comments what trailer setup you're using for your machines, and if you've ever stained a trailer deck before, let me know what product worked best for you. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to Tennis Power, and stick around for more off-road content, upgrades, gear, and projects. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to stay harnessed in and get after it.